Where's
Declan.
mommy?
Declan's eating Cheerios. Look at Declan eat Cheerios. This is exciting stuff. Akin to watching paint dry, but anyway.
Stuff.
We're fascinated. And one for the dog. Oh, yucky. And one for the doggy. Baloo gets one. Baloo's very lucky. Oh, he's getting two. Careful. There's Ace. And another one.
Declan eating Cheerios.
He's already had like a bucket of Cheerios. Here we go. You be gentle, Baloo. Good boy. Look at Ace.
He's didn't get any.
Pull Baloo away so Ace can have some. Declan. Declan, are you going to eat some Cheerios? Declan? No. He says I'm going to feed a doggy. So this is a good game. It's crazy. And here we go. Ace. Ace. Ace.
One for him, no.
I hope so.
No, it's...
Oh, he transferred hands. He picked it up in his left hand and transferred it to his right hand. Ah, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh, there we go. One for the doggy, one for Declan. Good boy. Uh-oh, you alright? Come here, Reese. Oh, they're on the other side. Yeah. This is too funny. You're gonna have no Cheerios left for you, Declan. Hmm?
He's got the sharing thing down bad.
Says I know how to get rid of all the ones that I don't want. Oh, no, not that finger. Yeah. This one for Ace. Oh, yucky. Yucky, yucky. They're building up our immune system. Yeah, yucky, yucky, yucky. Oh, there's one for Ace. You got one for Ace? Oh. Yay. Yummy, all gone. Yay! Wait, bye-bye. Declan, wait, bye-bye. Declan, wait, bye-bye. Good boy, bye-bye. Bye. It's a double-handed one. Bye-bye. Good boy.